Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Every Day. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jane. We're so happy you're here with us today for the Best Way podcast series.
Jane, I was just thinking about the weekend. Did you do anything fun? Maybe a party or a get-together?
You know, I actually went to a small birthday party for a friend on Saturday. It was really nice. Good food, good music. How about you?
Oh, that sounds lovely. I just had a quiet weekend, mostly reading and relaxing. But a party sounds exciting. It got me thinking about our topic today.
Ah, yes. Perfect timing. Today we're talking about going from awkward to awesome English conversations at a party. It's a common challenge, isn't it?
Absolutely. I remember when I first started learning English, going to a party felt like a huge test. Everyone talking, laughing, and I was just standing there, feeling a bit lost. It's tough.
Yes, it can be scary. You want to join in, but you don't know how to start or what to say. You might worry about making mistakes, but it doesn't have to be that way.
Exactly. Today, we want to give you some simple, easy tips and phrases to help you feel more confident. No more standing in the corner with your drink.
Our goal is to help you enjoy parties and make new friends, all while practicing your English in a fun, real-life situation. So, Kevin, where do we begin? How do you even start talking to someone new at a party?
Great question, Jane. The easiest way is often with a simple greeting and an observation. Look around. Is there something you can comment on? For example, if you see someone near the food table, you could say, "Hi, these snacks are really good, aren't they?"
Oh, that's a clever one. It's not too personal, and it gives the other person an easy way to respond. They can agree or recommend something else. What if there's no food nearby?
Then you can comment on the party itself. "This is a great party," or "I'm really enjoying the music," or even, "How do you know the host?" That last one is a classic. It's a great icebreaker.
Yes. How do you know the host is perfect. It opens up a conversation about mutual friends or how they met, which can lead to other topics. So remember to practice saying these phrases out loud. This is a great party. How do you know host's name?
Another good one is just a simple compliment. If you like something they're wearing, say so. "I love your shirt. Where did you get it?" People usually appreciate compliments, and it makes them feel good.
Yes, just make sure it's a genuine compliment. Don't make something up. So, we've started the conversation. Now, how do we keep it going? This is where many people get stuck.
Right. The key here is to ask open-ended questions. These are questions that can't be answered with just yes or no. For example, if they say, "I know the host from work," you can ask, "Oh, really? What kind of work do you do?"
Exactly. Or, if they say, "I love this song," you can follow up with, "What kind of music do you usually listen to?" This shows you're interested and encourages them to share more. It's like gently opening doors to new topics.
And remember to share a little about yourself too, but don't overshare. After they answer, you can add, "Oh, I'm a your job too," or "I also like their music genre." It creates a connection.
It's a dance, really. A little from them, a little from you. And always listen carefully. That's the most important part. If you listen, you'll find clues for your next question. So, listening practice is also speaking practice, in a way.
Definitely. Let's talk about some common, safe topics for party conversations. Things that most people are comfortable discussing. The weather is always a classic, right?
Oh, yes. It's lovely weather tonight, isn't it? Or, I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. Simple, but effective. Also, movies, books, music, these are great. Have you seen any good movies recently? Read any interesting books?
Or even travel. Have you traveled anywhere interesting lately? Most people love talking about their trips or dream destinations. It's a fun topic.
And remember, you don't need to have a very deep conversation. Party conversations are usually light and fun. It's okay to just chat about surface-level things. The goal is connection, not an interview.
That's a very important point, Jane. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Even a short, friendly chat is a success. What about those awkward silences, though? We all know them.
Ah, the dreaded silence. Don't panic, it happens to everyone. You can break it by saying, "So, what do you think of this music?" Or, "Have you tried this specific dish?" Or simply, "It's a nice atmosphere here, isn't it?"
Or even just repeating something they said earlier. Like, "You mentioned you work in marketing earlier. That sounds interesting. What exactly do you do?" It shows you were listening and gives them a chance to continue.
Exactly, just a little nudge. And sometimes, it's okay for a conversation to end naturally. You don't have to talk to one person all night. Which brings us to our next point, how to end a conversation politely.
This is crucial. You don't want to just walk away. A polite way to end is by saying something like, "It was really great talking to you." And then you can add a reason to move on, like, "I'm going to grab another drink," or, "I see a friend over there I haven't said hello to yet."
Yes, it was nice meeting you. Their name is a good closing. Or, well, I should probably mingle a bit more. It's polite, clear, and doesn't leave them guessing. And always smile. A friendly face helps a lot.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. The most important thing is to try. Every conversation is practice. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Absolutely. Think of each party as a mini English lesson. You're getting real-life experience. Don't aim for perfection, aim for participation. Even if you just have a 5-minute chat, that's a win.
So, to recap our tips for going from awkward to awesome at parties. Start with simple observations or compliments. Ask open-ended questions to keep the chat going. Use safe topics like weather, movies, or travel.
Don't fear the silence. Gently nudge the conversation forward. And always, always end conversations politely, with phrases like, "It was great talking to you." Remember to listen more than you speak, and most importantly, just try.
We hope these tips help you feel more confident at your next party or social gathering. Practice these phrases out loud. Imagine you're at a party right now.
Exactly. Now, for our listeners, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite party conversation starter? Or what makes you feel most comfortable when talking to new people at a party?
Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love reading them and learning from your experiences.
And if you found this episode helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Your support helps us create more content for you.
Thank you so much for joining us on English Practice Every Day. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing.
Yes, until next time, take care and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye everyone.